Somaliland is a geostrategic U.S. maritime security partner in Africa. It sits along the Gulf of Aden, near one of the world's busiest shipping corridors, and its forces actively contribute to counterterrorism and anti-piracy missions. Somaliland stands with our allies, including Taiwan and Israel, and aligns with U.S. interests in a region where China is aggressively expanding. Most recently, Israel's decision to formally recognize Somaliland in December 2025 underscores its growing strategic relevance. Late last year, General Dagvin Anderson, the U.S. Africa commander, was in Somaliland to meet with Somaliland leadership to assess the security environment and to review Berbera Port's operational capacity. This is the kind of partner we should be encouraging, and one that will shape how we confront CT challenges in the Horn of Africa. Last summer, I sent a letter to President Trump urging formal recognition of Somaliland. Unsurprisingly, the Chinese Communist Party immediately condemned my letter, which only shows how important Somaliland is to U.S. national security.